Namaste. So today we will see what all things I purchased during July. Uh, I'll show you the coloring supplies as well as the books that I purchased. Um, so to start off with, I purchased the 120 set of square Britfona pencils, and because I got those pencils I needed a sharpener which could accommodate the square barrel. So I purchased this Dale 133 which goes very well with that. I also expanded my Copic collection. I purchased a few more Copic markers. This one is actually sort of a workstation piece that I ordered so that I can have something sitting next to me if I'm not working at the desk where I usually work, so that I can have my pencils or markers where I can just choose them. I had actually ordered this, believe it or not, in May, and I have received it only like yesterday or something like that. So that is another thing. Then I had ordered some multicolored lead pencils from Kohinoor. So those, and I had also ordered some multicolored jumbo pencils. I also ordered the 160 set of Zena color. Again, these are pencils. And I also ordered this fluorescent, supposed to be glow in the dark, but I don't think they glow in the dark. These are just fluorescent colors, again from Kohinoor. So these were the coloring supplies that I purchased in the month of July. Actually, most of it I had purchased in June. I received quite a few of this in July, uh, but some of them I did purchase in July. Now let's go and see the books that I have purchased in July. And I'll say I again went crazy. Same thing what I had done in April. If you have not seen my April haul, I will put a link. Please have a look at it, and then you will understand what I mean by that when I compare it to my July haul. Again, I had promised myself I will not purchase any more books in July, because I had already ordered quite a few in June and I kept on receiving them into July. But I did purchase a few books in July also. So a combination of all those have resulted in me having just too many books. Uh, and I hope I don't buy any more books, because it's just ridiculous to spend this amount of money if I'm not going to have enough time to even uh, color a single page in all of them. So I'll start with the books now. So this is my stack of the July books, and as you can see, I have just gone overboard with it. I'm so upset with myself, and I don't know. Anyways, let's go through these books and let's see what exactly have I purchased. So to start off with, I'll show you the mandala books that I purchased this month. Uh, so I purchased this one specially because I liked the shape, and it's quite a thick book, and uh, it's having quite a lot of mandalas, and most of them are quite intricate, so not something I'm going to color in a hurry. Then I purchased this from Jeanine Morrison, and it's I just purchased only the volume 1 out of this, of her hand drawn mandalas, and they are really nice designs. I also purchased the first volume of Angie's patterns. uh, I had thought I will build up on the collection, but that will have to wait for another day now. Now let's move on to my color by number collection, not collection, the books that I purchased in this month. Mm, so this is Calm Color by Numbers by David Woodruff. Then this is Disney Volume 5. Then again this is Disney. I don't know what volume this is, but it's Mickey and Company. I also purchased one book of, I think this is by Kira Sharshneva. Yeah, I have heard, I think, set of mystery dots. I did not have, I did not have a mystery lines, so I purchased this one. Then I purchased some sort of cheap uh, coloring books which are not very good quality in terms of either the picture or the paper, uh, and I think these were some of my biggest mistakes, but anyways, so I purchased this color therapy. Then I purchased, out of the 4 books in this series, I purchased 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and I purchased only one book out of this, the 5th book. I already had volume 9 out of this series. I purchased 1, 2 and 10, which I just now showed you. Then I purchased some more books by Janine Morrison. In addition to the hand-drawn mandalas, I purchased her patterns for meditation. Then I also purchased patterns for relaxation. I purchased Pattern Plus Design Volume 1 as well as 2, and Flower Designs Volume 1 and 2. And all these books are by Janine Morrison. I purchased 2 books from Dover Coloring Book, and both are about fashion. One is the medieval fashion, another is fashions from India. I also purchased 3 Creative Heaven books. One was Entangled Butterflies by Angela Porter, Japanese Designs by Martin Noble, and Flower Fashion Fantasies. One of the most favorite books that I have purchased that I am not angry about is this one, is Ming Ju Sun, Flower Fashions. This is really absolutely beautiful book. Then I purchased some geometric pattern books by John Wick. This is a Dover coloring, which is on this kind of paper where you can color it and put it up on your glass windows. Then Mindful Art Coloring Volume 2. I don't know if there's a Volume 1. I just randomly purchased this one. Again, these are just general books, not having any credit of any author or anything. Very bad paper. They are going to like drink the alcohol marker ink like anything, very porous. But yeah, I mean, I'm a sucker for patterns. If I see a geometric pattern book, I go crazy. So this, and then I had purchased this actually in June, but I received it in July. I purchased this grey scale book by Black River Art, and it's sort of a fantasy world kind of thing. I also purchased 100 Beautiful Mandalas by Camelia Anjikova. And I purchased two books by Jade Summer, 50 Easy Patterns and Mandalas for Beginners. So these are the books that I have purchased, and I seriously hope that I don't buy any more books. In fact, I think I have missed out on some books. I don't know. I feel that there were books which I have done a flip through video for, but I have probably stacked them somewhere else and I am missing them in this stack. But this also then proves the point that maybe I just have too many to remember. So yes, while I'm happy that I purchased so many books, I am also very unhappy. Uh, for me, it's not a question of whether I can afford it or not. For me, it's a question of how much is too much. Uh, Spending money on something which I can probably not even enjoy is almost sinful for me. So, pretty upset about that. Uh, let's see what I can do. As if you are somebody who has been following my videos, you will know that for my for July, my goals had been to color in uh, at least one page in every new book that I have, and I have not been successful. I managed maybe 10 books. I don't even know how many. I will count now because after this I will do the what I colored. Actually, maybe I'll do it tomorrow because it's still very early in the month. I just uh, recorded this one because I know I will not purchase anything more now in the month of July. So that's why I'm recording this, and I think it is, I think 23rd or 24th of the month. I'm not even sure what day of the month it is. I forgot the date. But yes, so I'm sure I will not buy any more books. But as I said, the challenge to color at least one page in every book has also not really worked that well for me. But I still need to plow through, and I need to find a way to honor the books that I have purchased. Otherwise, it's a sad thing where I just keep on buying. Like, it's like a shopping addiction, but of a different kind. And I really need to put my foot down. And this is just too much. So, sorry about the lamenting. I mean, nobody put a gun to my head to purchase it. So if I purchased all these books of my own free will, I should also be able to stop purchasing these books of my own free will, right? So that's what I'm going to try and do. And I hope that this is my last books haul, at least for 2021. I really hope so. mm, Coloring supplies also, I really don't need any more, but I'm looking for some markers which can be used on double-sided pages. So if I find a good suggestion or something, maybe I'll purchase that. But other than that, I now have enough pencils, variety of pencils. I have enough variety of markers, and I also have purchased so many Copic markers that I don't need to even add to the Copic collection, I have at least two shades from each color house. So two of reds, two of orange, two of green, something like that. So I think I need to dial it down a bit. It's a waste to spend any more money like this. So I'm not sure what I will do for my August goals. I'll give it some thought before I record my August goals. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. And thanks for having stopped by. Have a nice day. Bye.